All right, hi students. Today in this how-to podcast, we're going to be looking at how to find the number of neutrons in a given element. So the element that we're going to use as our example today is actually boron. Boron has an atomic number of 5. So from our work so far in class, we know that this means that boron has 5 protons and it has 5 electrons. Now, the missing component here of our subatomic particles really is the number of neutrons that boron has. Once we know the number of neutrons, then we'll know all 3 numbers of subatomic particles. So let's think about how we find the number of neutrons in an element. So there's one particular formula that we can use to find the number of neutrons in an element. This is saying that N, the number of neutrons, is going to be equal to the atomic mass minus our atomic number. So keeping in mind that we're working with boron, we know that boron has an atomic number of 5, and we know that its average atomic mass is going to be 10.8. For the case of this problem, let's round that 10.8 to an isotope of boron that has an atomic mass of 11. Now we're going to have 11 minus 5, and that should give us our number of neutrons. Work that out on your own now. Here's another image if you're getting lost. We have 11, or 10.8 rounded to 11 for our atomic mass, and we have an atomic number of 5. This should give us our number of neutrons. All right, so if we do that calculation, we should see that boron is going to have 6 neutrons. Over here on the left, there is a picture of boron, or an atomic model of boron. In this model, you should be able to count that we have our 5 protons, we have 5 electrons, and we have our 6 neutrons. Now that you've seen us work through this problem with boron, try a few other, at least 3, elements out on your own, and check your answers with a classmate. Good luck!